If your vacuum or compressor were to fail today, what would it cost you? It could cost you $6,000 per day in lost revenue and lost patients. Because if your compressor or vacuum goes down, so does your entire practice. An average dental practice with 3 operatories generates between $4,000 and $5,000 per day. That revenue is lost when you have downtime due to your aging compressor or vacuum. You're still paying staff and other expenses while waiting to get back up and running, increasing your losses to at least $6,000 per day or more. Then there's the lost revenue from patients who may choose not to reschedule appointments that you had to cancel. Good health is all about prevention. Prevention in your mechanical room starts with regular maintenance. Are you familiar with the daily, quarterly, and annual routine maintenance suggested to keep your compressors and vacuums healthy? Compressor maintenance includes checking moisture and pressure levels, and that filters are clean. One key part of vacuum maintenance is cleaning your vacuum piping system daily. You can find the steps for this and other regular maintenance at midmark.com/airvac maintenance. Like your annual physical keeps you healthy, a regular checkup of your vital equipment keeps your practice healthy. Contact your local distribution partner today to schedule your semi-annual or annual checkup for your mechanicals. Take care of your equipment so you can take better care of your patients now and into the future. We are designing better care.